Are your Microsoft Office apps crashing due to the Pdfmofficeaddin DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To begin the walkthrough for Pdfmofficeaddin, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Pdfmofficeaddin, associated with localized save to PDF extensions for older versions of Microsoft Word and Excel. It manages the localized printer redirection to the PDF engine. If missing, the PDF option in the Office toolbar will do nothing or report a module load failure. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This issue is commonly caused by Microsoft Office installation being broken. Reinstall the latest version of Microsoft Office from the official website to replace Pdfmofficeaddin, DLL, and related files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Pdfmofficeaddin message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Pdfmofficeaddin DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Pdfmofficeaddin related issues. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Pdfmofficeaddin. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.